Hello, it's Esposito. Today I want to walk you through, once your loan's clear to close, how do we get the final numbers? Once that loan gets clear to close, we're going to provide what's called an initial closing disclosure at least 3 days prior to closing. Guys, this is not your final numbers. We have to get what's called a preliminary closing disclosure from the title company. 95% of your closing costs don't come from your lender. We do estimate those up front when we send you your loan estimate. Once we get the preliminary closing disclosure, our closer is going to send the initial closing disclosure, again, at least 3 days, could be a few days before. Once you review and sign that, which has to be signed 3 days before, the closer then works with the title company on adjusting any numbers from the seller side or credits or adjustments on title fees or survey fees, because these are all estimated and we have to count on the title company to provide that to us. Once that is done, we then send you the final numbers a day or two before closing, and voila, you're good. Your attorney then is going to tell you what time you're closing, where you're closing, and who to write any checks or wires to. If you have more questions about the final closing disclosure, please reach out.